Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police Jamka East Council's District ba Vivex AM IPS ha ka jing akran bakila pathai ko buar le thu ba ka jingja ka belajai ka samla penres nam kerta kadai ha ka nyau tarik unai wiek arajar arpsam ha ka puar padang wan nak jakai tho ha all scenes le thu balawan shaweka da samla jongka bat kilami nang tei da ka jing thu ban hiar sigi thang khandai la andai ha bala poi hajan DC office Shillong layo I ba ka samla phi darisha ka hap nakali bat ki donru ibayo I yakni ka jing hap jomka nakali bat kani kala jaha kapor khat adunai ka kali ka bakasyong kadai ka alto keten ya ka baki pulit kila kurup menta bat lara ru eu samla jongka ben Tohkit Bniah udah pentip bakani ka samla kala khlat no ka khatlai terik unai wek arja apsan ha Woodland Hospital bat ki pulit kila yo ka kai phot jongka daw ka Jingïap jongka bat mentai kinang Tohkit Bniah bantim la ka Jingïap jongka na po kali kadai ka Aksiden ni kadai ka Jingïap thurmur yakni ka kali ni kadai ka Shah Bret nakali ki pulit kidang bishar penya ya ka jubab jong samla jongka haringkat ke jing penya hap bat ke CCTV le thu ba samla jongka mentau la yo jamen USP le thu ru ba hadit malayo ek ejahar na henman jong ka phida risha ki pulit kila register case hang tu hi bat kila sedang ya ka jing Tohkit.
See, this incident happened on the 7th of November, whereby late Itarisha Jadwa, 36 years, actually had attended a wedding in All Saints, and she was picked up by her boyfriend. And from there, they had come down towards Police Bazaar. And at DC's office junction, she was seen falling out of the car, and there were witnesses who actually had seen her falling out. The car has been seized, the accused has been arrested. Investigation is still on. The victim, she expired on the 13th of November in Woodland Hospital. We have got the medical report of the cause of death also, which is trauma due to the injury in the skull. Right now, investigation is on to ascertain whether it was accidental, was it rash driving, or whether there was any premeditated attempt to actually throw her out of the car. So, investigation is still on. At this juncture, I can only say that.
Does the accused make any statement whether it was intentional or?
See, the accused right now, though he's being examined, I mean, there's much more needs to be examined and dedicated to find out the veracity of the statement, and that will be corroborated from the CCTV footages which we are examining right now.
Then tell us the section.
The sections are 281 of the PNS, 125 and 185 AVI.
Still filing FIR.
No, the FIR was filed on the 10th by the brother of the victim, and it was registered immediately, and investigation started from there. It is auto-cated vehicle, but number I don't have it, but it's an auto-cated. Actually, point to Police Bazaar.
After the marriage hearing, also.
Yes. This was at about 12 midnight. 50 to be precise.
There are no CCTV footages where we
There are footages we are analyzing.